This video shows the assembling of 512 EEG channels with the g.Pangolin system, achieving perfect spatial resolution of the visual cortex. 25 years ago, it used to take 60 minutes for 64 channels. With 512 passive EEG electrodes, it would have been an 8-hour ordeal. But with the g.Pangolin system, it's just 30 minutes. The experiment features the 1024 Ultra High-Density g.Pangolin system, coupled with g.HIamp and g.HIsys professional software package. New experiments can be defined within minutes, thanks to its speed and efficiency in processing all 1024 channels. The g.Pangolin grid electrodes, with a center-to-center distance of only 8.6 mm and small diameter, allow for recording with exceptionally high spatial resolution. With this setup, we can replicate every EEG experiment with improved resolution.